Look, he's eating it. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Nature. It's beautiful. Look at that. He's having a nice meal. Beautiful nature. Look at that. He's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. And I picked that leaf for him. I got that leaf for him. And then I picked this, where's the fucking thing? Where is it? There's a sycamore leaf, I think. No, that's the ivy leaf. And then the sycamore leaf is over there. Nature. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Let me know in the comment section if I can pick him up. Thanks, guys.